Hey guys, so we're gonna get straight into this look. I'm gonna style the wig on a mannequin head first and then install the wig later. So I'm creating my part. I want it to be in the middle and I want my wig to be really flat. So I'm hot combing it. I go through the frontal part a few times. Make sure you're hot combing your baby hairs so you can separate where the hair is and where the baby hairs are, and then go in with a wax stick so that you can make sure that the frontal lays very flat. Hot combing is so important. I say this almost every time. You need a hot comb if you want a flat wig. Do you see how flat that wig looks? Do you see that? Okay, so now we're gonna start curling the hair. I just sprayed the hair with a heat protectant. I spray my wigs with heat protectant because it just, I don't know, for me, I think it makes my wigs look better. And then I brush the hair through so that the product is just, you know, all the way through the hair. And then we start curling. When it comes to curling your hair, I feel like the direction that you curl is what matters most. For me, I like to do like the left side on a forward direction and on the right side on a backwards direction, and it always looks right. Like it always comes out looking good. The curls always flow better that way for me. I don't like to do all the curls in one direction because I just feel like the hair just doesn't look right when I do it that way. See, like the other side, I'm like facing it backwards. I'm not facing it forward, especially the front. I want the front to kind of just flow a certain kind of way. Also, to ensure that the curls last longer, I am clipping it as soon as I'm done curling. Make sure the curls cool down a little bit before you clip it. So this is what the hair looks like when you're done curling. I'm gonna leave it overnight and I'm gonna install it the next day. Okay guys, so it is the next day. Oh, disclaimer, you see this right here? When I was putting my shirt on, I, you know, had my makeup on or whatever and some makeup got on it. So of course I used my Tide to Go and swatched it off. So that's what the wet spot is. Last night I curled the wig and this is what it's giving today, and I'm about to put the wig on. As you know, I'm doing a glueless install, so I'm gonna put the wig on with no glue. What I like to do is fix this adjustable band so that it is like super tight because my head is very small. I like to make sure that the frontal part is like flapped over. Perfect. I look crazy right now, but it's cool. We gonna fix it. So move this down. And yeah. So the wig is now on my head. So that's it. No, I'm just kidding. Let me just show you guys up close. Right now, what I'm gonna do is do the install portion of this. This is HD lace, and look at that. It's a Byebye knots. You literally cannot see any knots. I just love the way they bleached the knots on this wig. I get my Nairobi mousse, and I put some mousse. Ooh, I got some mousse on my makeup and my face. It's okay. I feel like the trick to a perfect glueless is literally just a bunch of mousse, and then I'm gonna lay the baby hairs. Keep that there. Look at all that mousse Just smooth it on. And then swoop the baby hairs. I need some more mousse here because this side is still sticking up a little bit. And it is sticking up a little bit here, but I'm gonna use this band to just keep it down. Okay. Make sure that melting band is like on super tight. We're gonna take out the curls now. Ooh, bouncy, bouncy curls. Like this. All right. Curls for the girls, curls for the girls, curls for the girls. I'm using my hands right now, but I'm going to get my big wide tooth comb. So I'm just gonna lightly brush through these curls. Through. Alright. I do like to comb through the curls and like the direction the curls are in. It prevents too much like frizzing and stuff. And then if I have to go over anything one more time, then I will. Now that I've brushed out my curls, I'm gonna use this Paul Mitchell serum. Dime size, literally a little tiny bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna go through my hair one more time so that it can have a little bit of shine. I'm not a big fan of like serums, but I will say this Paul Mitchell serum leaves your hair, whether it's natural or wigs, it just leaves it looking just so shiny and pretty. So I'm looking at my parting since I did it on the mannequin head and not on my actual head, and I don't really think it looks that straight. So I'm gonna fix it with this so that it could be laying a little bit more straight. Now this looks straight. Get my hot comb. So I'm gonna lay the back flatter. I'm gonna take this piece and just recurl it a little bit so it frames with my face a little bit better. Yeah, I like that more. And then like right here, I'm pretty satisfied with the way this side looks, but I do want to just add a little bit more zhuzh. See that piece sticking out? Just gonna tuck it in right there. Everything else is good, like the back pieces or whatever not. This is what the curls are giving. What I'm gonna do is use my wax stick to smoothen out any flyaways. And to just be a perfectionist, I'm going over it one more time now that I just put that wax stick on there. Also, I like to do a little bump right here with the hot comb, just so the hair gives me like that little natural bump vibes. Bam. There you go, baby. And then I'm gonna use this Joico Heat Hero. It's like a glossing thermal protector. I just use this because it tends to like leave my hair looking a little bit less frizzy and more glossy. It's like a glossy finish. That is all I do to style the hair. Curl it overnight. Typically I curl it on my head, but you know, yesterday I was just like, let me just curl it overnight, and then today I'll just make it easier on myself to get ready. So now I'm gonna take this melting band off. And voila. Wow, looks really good. This is it. This is the final look of this hair. What do y'all think? Do you like it? Is it giving? No, but honestly, who said you need glue? Like, who said you need any glue, any gels, any sprays, nothing? Like, this is completely glueless. And it looks like a full-on frontal. Yeah, this is where it's at, okay? I am obsessed with this hair. Do you know how many compliments I've gotten with this wig, with this particular wig? Y'all, this whole year I've gone glueless. I love it. Absolutely obsessed. Before I end the video, I want to give you guys a little bit of details about this wig. The lace is HD lace. The company that sent this hair is Unicehair. You know they be hooking your girl up. The inches, like the length of the hair is 24 inches. So I am 5'4", and the hair stops like right here to my hips. Have I done anything to this wig? Like, have I gone back in and like plucked it or anything? No. This hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. Like, the lace is cut. I'm gonna put like a clip so you guys can see what the hair looks like fresh out the box. The texture of the hair is Bodywave. Like, it came as a Bodywave texture. It had baby hairs already put on it. It's called a Byebye knots wig. And the length of this lace is a 7x5. And as you can see, 7 inches down here and then like 5 here. So, or maybe it's the other way around. I think it's like 7, it's meant to be 7 here and then 5 here, because the hair is literally like, it's almost like a real frontal wig, except it's like not super versatile. I've even worn this wig as a side part before. I've had this wig for 3 months and I have been wearing it and wearing it and wearing it, and it still looks like this. Yeah, good quality over here. Okay. And also for the girlies that are trying to go natural, or they're just trying to really take a break from all those harsh glues and messing up your edges, like, this is the wig. You can really just throw this on, put some little bit of mousse, and you're good to go. The hair has not been tangling. It's really soft. The only thing that I will say, it does have a little bit of frizzing. I don't know if you can really see up close, but you see that little bit of frizzing. I don't really like that. But other than that, that's like the only thing I'll complain about with this hair is the frizzing. But the curls hold, the hair is shiny, and for the price, it's like, if frizzing is all you gotta deal with, like, I'll quickly go purchase it. Yeah, that is all that I have to say about this wig. If you guys have any more questions, comment below. And if you want to purchase this wig, click the link in the description box below. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.